It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. I'm back. I'm a little bit early today. I'm not early, but I'm earlier. I got my tea. I am all set. I got my Star Wars shirt on today. We're going to talk about the Bath & Body Works extra 20% off. Online only today only. Is it a good deal? That's the question. You have to use the code Holiday Prep. However, there's no free shipping. So the only way this is a good deal is if you spend, in my opinion, $100. Because then you're going to get $20 off. If you only spend $50, it's basically free shipping. It's not really a good deal. Also, body care. See, Bath & Body Works wants everyone to get the body care today with the 20% off because it's buy three, get three. However, you're going to want to wait till this weekend for the body care day sale. So I'm going to do a little math, even on the lower priced items. Okay, $14.95 on the shower gel. By the way, I loved reading all of the comments yesterday on the Jolly Gingerbread Village. So I really do feel like a lot of people like it, and then a lot of people are just like, worse than ever. So that's why it's such a complicated product for Christmas, because it's like an odd product. I'm definitely in the pretty much, I'm not crazy about it camp, but again, I can kind of see how people might like it. I think the problem is not the product. It's that we didn't get more of the other products that we wanted, like more foodie scents. So great comments on the Jolly Gingerbread Village yesterday. So getting back to the sale, I just got like sidetracked by Jolly Gingerbread Village. The shower gel. So if you were to get buy three, get three on the $14.95 shower gels, I'm going to do some math here. $14.95 times 3 divided by 6, $747 minus 20%, $598. So today, if you were to shop online and get 6 of these, they're going to be $598 each. Not a bad deal, but not the best deal. For the cream and the lotion, wait until this weekend. $3.95 on the lotion, $4.95 on the cream. That's going to be the best deal of all. So just wait, like what? 4 or 5 days, like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 4 days. I'm like, what is this? So that will be like the big sale. I have a feeling we're probably going to have a mist sale coming up at some point. You're going to pay a lot more on these mists for the buy three, get three. I wouldn't even bother with body care with this 20% off. What you might want to do with the 20% off, if you don't have a coupon, is maybe get one of the candle holders, the illuminated tree. I really want to get that stag head. I don't know why. It's appealing to me. The stag head looks really cool. I was thinking about getting the stag head. I don't know. I'll probably wait. You know what I'm going to wait till? I'll probably wait till Cyber Monday when I can get 40% off. But I really, really want it. Because it's online only, you're going to have to, kind of see what's in stock online. Candles, we're not even having a candle sale today. I'm like, nobody's buying candles. Does anyone buy candles when they're not on sale? I would love to see the data on that. There's got to be someone out there who's just like, I need a candle today. So anyway, not really the best deal today in terms of the sale. I think they were trying to like sweeten the deal to see if they could get people buying today, even though there's not like a big sale. So tomorrow, we're supposed to have the lip event. So I will be on either later or tomorrow to talk about this lip event, because I know a lot of people are really wanting like the lip gloss. And let me see. I just want to look really quick. Body care. I always say all body care. Why can't I click on this? All body care. I'm trying to click on the little arrow and it's not even working. I'm just going to type in lip. Yeah, we have twisted peppermint, winter candy apple, vanilla, strawberry. Jolly Gingerbread Village is in the lip gloss. I gotta get that. Oh my gosh. I want my lips to smell like timber. What is that? I don't know. We're going to have to explore it. Now I got to get into the store tomorrow just for that product. Gotta review it. Anyway, oh my goodness, you guys, let me know if you're shopping the 20% off sale today. And I will be back. I'm gonna actually review the Bright Christmas Morning. I like it in the mist. I like it better than I did last year. I don't know. We gotta talk about this one. Anyway, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye bye.